This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by tastefully. This tastefully updated ranch on Bloomington's northeast side has it all. Desirable details throughout, including oak floors in the living and dining rooms, upgraded appliances, a recently replaced roof, and a spacious lower-level family room. Enjoy gorgeous views of nature from the large, freshly painted attached deck or either of the ravine overlook decks. The kitchen features quartz countertops, solid wood cabinets with soft close, and matching stainless steel appliances. Outside you will find an upcycled greenhouse in the fully fenced backyard, along with mature landscaping, a large fire pit, and a small pond. All just 10 minutes from Bloomington's East Side shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact tastefully at 812